Hi there, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
In this video, we'll give you a breakdown of consumer proposals versus bankruptcy. Consumer proposals and bankruptcy are both legal processes designed to discharge an insolvent individual from debt. Meant to give those who have fallen on hard times a way to hit the restart button, these methods of debt recovery take some work, legal negotiation, and compromise.
The bankruptcy process requires a debtor to relinquish any assets that can go towards their debt, whereas the consumer proposal protects the debtor's assets.
Whether or not the debtor must relinquish any assets is a main difference between consumer proposal and bankruptcy in Canada. Consumer proposals can take time and negotiation before the debtor is finally discharged of their debts, but it could be the right method of debt relief for you.
For those who can make regular monthly payments and want to avoid the severity of declaring bankruptcy, a consumer proposal is the most sensible method to recover from debt. If you hold many investments outside of RSPs and want to hold on to those assets, a consumer proposal will protect them.
Your principal residence is exempt from bankruptcy-related seizure in Ontario, but only if your equity does not exceed $10,000. For those who have a home equity greater than $10,000, a bankruptcy could result in you losing your home or having to pay the equity to hold onto the property. In this scenario, a consumer proposal would protect your equity and allow you to hold on to assets that you would otherwise lose if you declared bankruptcy.
If filing for bankruptcy or consumer proposal could help you address your debt, then schedule a free consultation with Sklar Associates. We can advise you of the rules and regulations of the Bankruptcy Insolvency Act.
Your trustee can make suggestions about the best way for you to get out of debt, but ultimately, only you can decide which path to take. Whether you choose to file for bankruptcy, or if you think the consumer proposal is better suited to your needs, either process will require that you receive credit counseling.
Anyone who files for personal bankruptcy or a consumer proposal in Canada is required to complete 2 mandatory credit counseling sessions. These sessions can help you master your personal finance and set you up for long-term financial stability.
A licensed insolvency trustee can answer questions if you're still uncertain about the differences between filing for bankruptcy and a consumer proposal. One common question that crops up again and again is, how much does a consumer proposal cost? You don't have to pay any upfront fees or extra costs, and your trustee or consumer proposal administrator gets paid out of what you settle to pay your creditors.
If your financial situation improves during the term of your consumer proposal, you can pay it off earlier. But in order to fulfill the duties of your consumer proposal, you have to make all the required payments and attend the 2 mandatory credit counseling sessions. While the bankruptcy process requires that you report many details of your income is not monitored with a consumer proposal.
If you're wondering whether a consumer proposal or bankruptcy is right for you, come into Sklar Associates for a free consultation. The hardest step is walking through the door, but you'll be glad you did.
You can also leave questions in the comments below, or let us know if you want a topic covered in a future video.
For more info, check out the show notes below and click subscribe to get notified right away when we post new videos.